So European champions, the Spanish, not with this crew, but always wants to watch the Spanish. They have Pablo in the C1 1000 and Daniel Grijalba, silver medalist in the C1 500. They lost only to Gabriele Casadei from Italy. Italian with 2 golds. This is the final of the C2 under 23 men's strong start from Ukraine. Volodymyr Shavshin and Taras Kudzic. They finished 4th in the last European Championships, and they already have 1 gold medal from the C4 500 meters. Watch Spain now getting into the front. 250 meters to go. That's Spain. And then the neutrals from Minsk that are in lane 6. We need to distinguish the 2 teams of individual neutral athletes. That's Spain first, Ukraine second. Now it hurts. It's only 100 meters for the final. Spain still looking good, but then for 3rd place you have 3 boats. That's Poland, Czechia, and I think it's also Brazil. These are the leaders. Spain, for boats side by side.
Side by side. So no doubts about the gold. To Spain.
It will be Spain. 2nd place.
Brazil, looks like,
Brazil,
no? I'm not sure.
Ukraine, Brazil, podium. I think it's.
But
let's wait and see.
Yes. Too many.
You have a better view than me, so.
On this A final.
If you feel like it's Brazil, just say it, because you have a better view than me. That's gold for
Spain, no doubts about it.
Amazing performance. So watch the replay. Strong start in lane 2 for Ukraine, but then Spain were able to get into the leads. And final meters. Oh no, that was in the 250 mark.
Now Spain, and now look, I think it's Brazil.
I think it's Brazil, and I think that Ukraine stopped too soon. And probably they lost 2 places.
Eventually, but well,
let's wait and see.
For the photo finish result.
Ukraine just stopped too soon. Spanish crowd really happy
with this
and
performance.
You should be.
Yes.
It was an amazing performance. We have confirmation now. It's Brazil, seconds. 2nd place for Brazil. Ukraine finished 2nd, 9 hundredths of a second for the neutral team.